FTT and SOL went to the moon and are keeping their eyes on a 1,000% to 2,000% boost. But what things drive this rocket? Is FTX back in the game? Yeah, you folks got it right. Let's dig in from the start. Welcome back to TheCryptoJournal. We're thrilled to have you here.
This will keep Chair Gensler, who has proven himself to be ineffective and incompetent.
Who is Gary Gensler? Gary Gensler is an American government official and former Goldman Sachs investment banker, serving as the chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Gensler previously led the Biden-Harris transition's Federal Reserve, Banking, and Securities Regulators Agency review. As the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC chair, Gensler brings a comprehensive understanding of finance, economics, and digital technology. His appointment signaled the administration's intent to bring clearer regulation to the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Gensler has repeatedly warned of the crypto industry's non-compliance and has called on crypto firms to register with the SEC. The chair has also said that crypto firms are subject to the same rules as traditional finance. U.S. Congressman Tom Emmer says, SEC Chair Gary Gensler is as ineffective as he is incompetent crypto-friendly rep. Tom Emmer, Armin, criticized Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler for being as ineffective as he is incompetent, introducing an amendment to rein in enforcement abuses against the crypto industry. Representative Emmer leads the Congressional Blockchain Caucus, which is favorable toward crypto and believes in a light-touch regulatory approach. He dropped out of the House Speaker race just hours after winning the nomination last month. The nonpartisan amendment passed the House yesterday with no opposition and seeks to prevent the SEC from using funds for crypto enforcement until Congress defines its regulatory scope. Emmer's initiative reflects a growing concern over the SEC's current regulation by enforcement approach, which has been criticized for stifling innovation and forcing companies to seek friendlier shores. Regulation by enforcement is a practice all too common with this administration. This is particularly the case at the SEC and Chair Gary Gensler's approach towards our capital markets and financial services industry, but especially with our emerging digital assets community. My amendment seeks to put an end to Chair Gensler's pattern of regulatory abuse, a pattern that is crushing American innovation and capital formation without undermining our ability to go after criminals and fraudsters, Emmer said during a session of Congress yesterday. Specifically, my amendment prohibits the SEC from using funds for enforcement activities related to digital asset transactions until Congress passes legislation that gives the SEC jurisdiction over this asset class. This will keep Chair Gensler, who has proven himself to be ineffective and incompetent, in check, while Congress continues working to give this industry a chance to grow and develop right here in the United States, he added. SEC Chair Gensler suggests a rebooted FTX, led by former NYC chief, could happen if compliant with regulations. After that, FTT up 65%, as you all know. FTX token, FTT, is a utility token that provides access to the FTX trading platform's features and services. It is also the native token of the FTX ecosystem. FTT rose 65% in the 24 hours leading up to 10:13 p.m. in Hong Kong to US $2.12, according to CoinMarketCap. The price rally occurred a day after Gensler hinted that he is open to the potential reboot of FTX by Tom Farley, as long as it is done within the law. Farley is a former president of the New York Stock Exchange, who is among the 3 top bidders for the bankrupt exchange. Build the trust of investors in what you're doing and ensure that you're doing the proper disclosures. And also, that you're not commingling all these functions, trading against your customers, or using their crypto assets for your own purposes, Gensler told CNBC at the DC FinTech Week on Wednesday. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried was found guilty of 7 counts of fraud and conspiracy last Thursday. He faces up to 115 years in prison, and his sentencing hearing is scheduled for March 28, 2024. FTX filed for bankruptcy with 130 of its affiliates nearly a year ago on November 11, as it was unable to honor customer withdrawals amid a bank-run style collapse due to misappropriation of customer deposits. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to see upcoming videos. Let me know your opinion below in the comments. That's all from TheCryptoJournal. See you soon with new news.